soon as we started making plans to build this cottage, we knew that we wanted an electric insert in here, and we will just leave it in here when we build our house. And Deb did tons of research and found this.
Revolution firebox. The reason I picked this out is because it looks really realistic with brick in the back, and it's going to have the glass doors that looks like a real fireplace.
Let's open it up.
All right. This fireplace you can either hardwire or you can add in a plug adapter, and then you can just plug it in.
Okay, perfect. We're going to show you what it looks like.
Now it's going to have to go in pretty much front and the bottom of this. Yes!
We already had our fireplace and that brick paneling installed, and we wanted this raised, so we made a little platform inside, and now she is just putting this trim piece here, and then I will paint it.
A trim board to go underneath here that will fit right between, and we're gonna nail that on, and then she's a done.